Industrial extreme calcination. High purity material core technology. 1400 degrees Celsius temperature. Super stable operation. Silicon carbon rods have a strong penetrating power. 5.4 meters quartz furnace tube. No dead angle radiation. Multi-stage temperature zone accurately cuts the forging curve. 30 liters per minute. High purity gas circulation. Electromagnetic feeder. 0.1 gram precision feeding. Quartz glass funnel. Nanoscale material purity. 7-inch touchscreen, 1-button start and stop. Automatic matching. 15 calcination modes. Energy consumption reduced by 40%. Chemical metallurgy, environmental protection. Click to testify. The production of 3 kilograms of high purity materials per minute.